This video will help you understand things that you are doing wrong, and it might feel a little boring at start, but remember this. Only weak people quit faster, not those who actually want to change.
So, let's start with the video.
Let's talk about 12 things rich people know that the average person completely misses. 1. Wealth is what you keep, not what you spend. You think someone driving a new BMW is rich. Wrong. He's probably paying $700 a month in car payments and $200 a month for insurance. Let's take a look at Mike.
Hey there, I am Mike. I'm just a quiet guy who drives a 10-year-old Toyota Corolla, though I own it myself. I invested $1,500 per month, and now I have $250,000 saved at an age of 34.
Example 1. $100,000 income. Spending $95,000 equals $5,000 wealth. Example 2. $70,000 income. Saving $30,000 equals $30,000 wealth. Stop flexing, start keeping. Real millionaires don't live in high-rent apartments or posh gated societies. They live where taxes are low, neighbors aren't flashy, and pressure to upgrade is zero. Here, meet Lisa.
Hey guys, I am Lisa. I live in a $200,000 house, and I drive a paid-off Civic. Me, my cousin? Nah, she just spends $4,000 per month rent in a luxury condo and has zero saving.
Here's the solution. Example 1. $500 rent plus $500 investment equals smart balance. Live in a modest apartment for $500 a month. Invest the other $500 a month in index funds or ETFs. In 10 years, you could grow $500 a month into $95,000 plus. Example 2. Buy land, not a big house. Buy a small plot of land for $15,000 to $25,000 in a growing area. No mortgage, no house maintenance, no stress. Let the land value grow while you rent and invest. 3. Discipline builds wealth, not luck. You think rich people just got lucky? Most wealth is built through boring, consistent discipline, not through crypto wins or lottery ticket. Let's take a look at Tom.
Hi there, I'm Tom. I saved $500 a month for 30 years in index funds. That's over $700,000. While my friend Jake made $10K on Dogecoin, then lost it all chasing the next hype.
Here's what you should do instead. Example 1. Investing $500 a month for 30 years for 8% interest equals $680,000. Key goal is to start early. Example 2. $50 a day, Starbucks and Uber equals $18,250 per year wasted. Use this for other growing things, like stocks. Conclusion of point 3. Boring wealth is greater than exciting broke. Point 4. Self-employment builds long-term wealth. Well, millionaires often own dry cleaners, food trucks, small agencies, not giant startups. They control their time, money, and income growth. Hey, let's take a look at Mina.
Hello, I am Nina. I own a cleaning business making $80,000 a year after expenses. I invest $20,000 yearly.
Hello, I'm Chris, just a corporate worker who earns $100,000 per year. Well, I am rich at the start of each month, but I become broke as the end of month approaches. I only have $5,000 in savings.
The solution. Example 1. $20,000 invested every year means millionaire in 25 years. Example 2. $100,000 salary minus $90,000 expenses equals $10,000 net. I mean, that's a treadmill life.
Understand this. You can't fire yourself from your own company. Build something.
Point 5. Millionaires plan their finances ruthlessly. Millionaires spend hours budgeting, optimizing taxes, planning investments. Whereas the broke, they just scroll Instagram saying, I will do it later. That's the difference between you and millionaires.
Let's meet Alex, the budget expert.
Hello, I am Alex. I track every expense and net worth monthly. That's the reason I am never broke.
Hello, I am Ryan. I spend wherever I want without budget. Well, I don't know how I went in $3,000 debt lately. Let me start budgeting. We'll be right back.
Things to do in order to improve. Point 1. 2 hours budgeting every month means saving $300 per month. Point 2. Yearly tax planning saves $2,000 in write-offs. Remember, if you won't manage $1,000 properly, then you will surely lose $100,000 later.
6. They hate debt, especially bad debt.
No car loans, no credit card balances, no EMI for iPhones. For better understanding of this concept, let's meet Priya and Maya.
Hello, I am Priya. I wanted to buy a phone worth $900, so I saved for 6 months and bought my new phone instead of EMI.
Hello, I am Maya. I am fed up of paying $120 EMI per month for a $1,208 phone at 24% interest.
Things you should avoid. Example 1. For a $1,200 phone with 24% annually means more than $1,500 paid. Example 2. A $20,000 car loan at 6% interest equals $3,200 interest in 5 years. Moral of the story. If you don't have enough cash to buy it, then never purchase it. Point 7. They buy value, not status. 80% of millionaires buy used cars. They don't care about flexing. They care about return on investment. Let's understand more about this from Jordan and Max.
Greetings. Hello, I'm Jordan. I drive a used Camry, which I bought for $10,000. And you know what's the best part? It lasted for 7 years.
Hello, I'm Max. Sadly, in order to have good status, I rented a $35,000 Audi for $500 per month. You know what's the worst? I had to be very careful of not letting the expensive car have any damage. After 3 years, I decided to stop renting it. It not only wasted my money, but also took off my peace.
Let's take a look at the situation. The used Camry costed $0 per month and it was very reliable. But whereas the rented Audi, just wasted $18,000, 3 years of peace. And also now you don't have a car to travel with. Always remember this. Stop renting for status and start buying freedom. Point 8. Rich people don't spoil their kids. Rich parents don't spoil. They teach grit. They let kids earn, hustle, and grow. To understand it better, let's meet John and Alex.
Hey there, I am John. You know what? My dad's a millionaire. Well, he did made me flip burgers in summer. At first I thought, why should I do this? But later I realized flipping burgers not only made me value money, but it also improved my communication skills by talking to strangers. That's the best part.
Hello, I am Alex. Well, I'm in my 30s, yet my mom gives me $500 for my expenses. Well, I do feel ashamed of being a freeloader. I regret not learning financial things. I am paying it by staying broke now, waiting for mom to send me money every month.
Things you should do as a parent. Number 1. Teaching work ethics builds future. 2. Overnourishing them and not letting them face real world early equals life ruined. Always remember this. Teach them how to fish, not how to eat for free. And 9. They avoid product pushing advisors. Millionaires only trust advisors who are fee only, not those who earn commissions selling policies or mutual funds. Let's take a look at Emma and Brian to understand more about this.
Hi, I am Emma. I pay my advisor $400 every year. Well, his advices are truly helpful and helped me save a lot of taxes and save more money over time these years.
This conversation suggests 2 things. Example 1. Fee-only advisors gives advices that are in your best interest, whereas commission-based advisors hidden fees that will kill your returns. Remember this. If they are selling, that means you are the product. Point 10. They marry financially compatible partners. Rich people marry someone who values their time and money, not impulsive spenders. To understand this better, let's talk with 2 couples.
Hello, I'm Sophia. And he is my husband, Chris.
Hello, I'm Chris, sir. We are bust couples and we invest, budget and save a 40% our income together. It's the best things. We never fight one another for money. After all, her intelligence and love makes my life heaven.
I am Anjali. This person here is my useless husband.
You are useless, not me.
Shut the fuck up, stupid bouncin'!
You see, we fight a lot. She just spends way too much on shopping each month. I feel like broke.
Let's take a look at what should be done. 1. Dual savers equals double wealth. That means choose partner as same mindset like you about money. And if you don't, then you will get lifetime stress plus conflicts every now and then. 11. They think generationally. Millionaires aren't just saving for a car. They're planning for kids' education, retirement, legacy. Let's take an example. Michael's setting up a trust for his kids, while his neighbor is still trying to save for next month's vacation. Things you should do to improve. Example 1. $200 per month in child investment plan equals $100K at 18. Example 2. No retirement means burden on kids plus stress at 60. Don't think payday to payday. Think generation to generation.
12. They are not geniuses, just focused. Most millionaires were average students, but they were obsessed with discipline, learning, and execution. Sarah never topped class, but she read 40 books on money, saved 50% of income, invested early, and now she's financially free at 38. Example 1. Karan started a side hustle selling refurbished laptops in college. By 29, he'd saved and invested over $180,000 and quit his job to go full-time. Example 2. Maya lived on just 40% of her salary from age 22 to 30, invested the rest. At 32, she paid cash for her house. No mortgage, no boss, no stress. Paul's box of this stay-a vision. It wasn't IQ. It wasn't luck. It was relentless focus and the courage to live different.